Lelanga leli, it's not about me, it's not about management. Yes, we thank them that they are here to support us, but it's about you. You are the most important. Nimkoka kakhulu kulelanga lanamuhla. Angeke ngikhulume lokuningi ke ngifuna ukusho ukuthi lapha nihleli khona le i-national stadium of this country eSomhlo 1968 nasithola independent yavulelwa la silo ke sesilaba sobuza wesibili bekakhona lapha neNtuthu lapha nihleli khona kudlale emakhawula amakhulu mina ngiqale ukufika lana 1974 ngangihleli lapha somewhere lapha I was a small boy of 13 years ngangile kule age ngafika lana ngakhanza kugwebe simba ngifuna ukuthi ke bafana bami lokhu lento I hope the spirits alabantu abadzala labadlala la will also sishelele sifike nala kini niyangivayine bafana ngoba leli thuba lelikhulu kude there's very few labantu abancane lebakwatile kufika ukuthi badlale national stadium at your age ni la ekugcineni kusekugcineni kwako konke lokho I hope that will carry you forward so that you desire ukuthi nidlale as senior players not just for clubs but for the national team ngiyayeva ukuthi ndawuba selected for the national under 13 uyabona manje into tiyaqala manje lesi sibuko lokuthi you can do so much more already you are there eSomhlolo this is where it all starts this is where it will all end but obviously mina ngihleli lapha I got the dream ngaze ngafika ngatodlalela national team emva kwaloko what happened I went to South Africa I played into the biggest stadium. Over 100,000 people bangibukele. I started here. Over 100,000 watched me play at the Ellis Park Stadium in 1986. JPS final. I'm a product of this very same ground. You can be the product of this and be proud of your country.